So, ayun na nga ang chika. For this video, samahan nyo naman akong i-combine ang Vietnamese at Filipino style ng pagluto ng lumpia. And this is my version ng Vietnamese fried lumpia. So, this is another budget-friendly meal, and would you believe this would only cost you 100 pesos. First things first, iprito natin ang tokwa. Mas masarap ang tokwa pag fried at dagdag texture na din. Kapag okay na, ilagay ang finely chopped na bawang at sibuyas at ang ating pork giniling. Isangkot siya natin siya hanggang sa maluto ang meat. Kapag okay na, ilagay ang ating sotanghon noodles at half a cup ng water. Timplahan ng salt and pepper at optional kung anong season ang gusto nyo pang idagdag. Simmer for 1 minute bago ilagay ang ating mixed vegetables. Mix it a little bit at takpan and simmer it for another 1 to 2 minutes and we're done. Tanggalin sa apoy and set it aside and let it cool for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, make sure na i-drain ang excess na sabaw ng ating vegetable mixture bago ibalot para hindi naman mabutas ang ating wrapper. So, depende na sa inyo kung gaano kalaki yung size ng lumpia wrapper ang gagamitin nyo or gaano kakapal yung ipapalaman nyo sa inyong lumpia. So, for me, I'm using large lumpia wrapper at nag-scoop ako ng 2 tablespoon ng palaman. So, kapag tapos ng magbalot, just deep fry it until golden brown and crispy and we're done. So, presenting our budget-friendly na Vietnamese fried lumpia. So for only 100 pesos, you can make 9 to 10 pieces ng lumpia that can feed 4 to 5 persons. And that's it for my video. Thank you for watching. See you on my next recipe. Kain po!